Hello guys, this is our new video of Termux tutorial. So in this video I will show how to run your Python program and how to write your own Python code over the Termux terminal. This video will help to those students who are script kiddies and who are love to do his own program or own code. So let's go to the Termux terminal. At first I just update and upgrade the packages. So after update and upgrade, I need two things. One is the text editor and one is the Python library by which we can run our own Python code and we can write our own code over the nano editor, text editor. So at first I will run the nano text editor package install. By using this command you can you can install anything. Package install nano. So it's already installed in my phone. You can install by using this command. So after this I want to install package install python. Okay, because I want to write our own Python code over the text editor nano text editor. That's why I want to use some Python library. That Python library you have to install before to write your own Python code. Okay, otherwise phone will not compile any Python packages or any Python programs, or you can't. So now these two packages are installed. What I have to do? In two methods we can check the Python commands. By the first method is the static methods. For that you have to just write that Python and then enter. Then over this page you can write some syntax like print inside the bracket given in semicolon, and then type anything, any syntax like any string, and then ended it, then print hello world. So it will print the hello world. And if you want to add some like add some number, then no, just I'm giving the integer, that's why I don't want to use the semicolon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10, then bracket close. Next enter. So it will add all your numbers, all your given numbers. So like this you can do a lot of things. So if I want to run this all the command inside a code, then what do I have to do? Just I will go back to the page, just say give an exit. Okay, now how we can write our own code and how we can write our how we can make our own Python file by which we can run the Python file and to do some operations for our hacking operations. So just now I already installed the nano editor. So just I need to call that nano editor and make a file like addition.py. After then you have to give the extension by which you have to save your file. That .py extension means so you are giving that Python file extension. Okay, so by this .py extension the Python library will detect your file. Okay, next enter. So it will open a page, or it is a text editor by which you can write your own Python code. Okay, now just now I'm taking some variable to store my integer number, because I want to store some I want to give an user input values. If you don't know the coding of the Python, then I will let you know how to do your Python programming in next classes. So int, then input, then just semicolon and give the syntax, enter first number, then semicolon equal to plus semicolon end, and then bracket close. Next I want to add another more variable to do these things. Sorry, paste it. Just copy these things and then paste it, then it will paste at the downside. Okay, now by using the arrow key you can go to any portion of the syntaxes. Okay, just now semicolon end, there I have to write. You can take lot of user input, so just I'm taking a variable y. Okay, so done. Here I missed that bracket close. Okay, done. Now I want to print these things. Whatever input you are getting from the user input keyboard, then you have to combine this and do some operation, arithmetic logical operation you can do. Okay, so I want to add these things, x plus y, and then bracket close. Okay, done. Your code is run. Now how you have to save it? Just press ctrl+x and then press the y, so it will save your file. Okay, now ctrl+m. So it is already saved. Where it is saved? Now check once, ls. See, it is saved in addition.py. Here I can save my file in some storage device to another folder. Okay, later next class I will show how we can move any files to another folder. Okay, now how we can run this file. But before run this file, I want to show what program I have written in nano editor. Okay, so first just write the cat and then the file name like addition.py, then enter. So this is the Python code, okay, which I will run. Now just write down the Python. No need to do other things, just write the Python where you saved this file already. In that file you have to run this command Python and then file name .py. So just give an enter. It will take one input first. Just press 2, then enter. It's need another number, then 3, then it's given an output. Okay, print 5. So it is the result. But like this you can run any command, means any Python packages. Okay, so this is our result. Okay, if you like this video, then share and subscribe my channel to get more informative videos to help someone. Bye bye.